new ideas to snore less often and sleep more often. Many people are embarrassed about how often or loudly they snore. They may believe that there is no way to prevent snoring from happening. This is a myth. By using some of the tips featured below, you can begin to minimize your snoring, and eventually, you could even eliminate it. To cut back on snoring, avoid drinking or eating dairy products 3 hours before you go to bed. Dairy products are notorious for causing a buildup of mucus in your chest. In turn, this exacerbates snoring by making it more difficult to breathe without sounding too raspy. Avoid milk, cheese, yogurt and ice cream. Quit smoking, or drastically cut back to stop snoring. Smoking causes all sorts of damage to your respiratory system and other parts of your body. If you are a heavy smoker, smoking might actually be the cause of your snoring problem. Quit smoking to stop the snoring and live a healthier lifestyle. If you are a smoker that snores, your cigarette habit may be a large part of the problem. Go ahead and quit. Smoking causes a great deal of damage to the respiratory system and increases the amount of mucus in your airways, which can lead to snoring. Kicking the habit may nip your snoring problems in the bud. Overweight people, especially those with extra neck fat, will most likely snore more. The additional fat constricting the nasal passages of fat people compounds the problem. If you need to lose weight, try doing so now. You'll look great, be healthier, and sleep through the night. Hopefully, the tips above have provided you with some new things to try to eradicate your snoring so that you no longer irritate your spouse during the night. Just make sure that you apply what you have learned and keep your efforts consistent. If you do this, your snoring should soon be history. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.